tastes like yours. Strawberries and something more. Ooh yeah, I want it all. Lipstick on my guitar. Ooh. Fill up the engine, we can drive real far. Go dancing underneath the stars. Ooh yeah, I want it all. You got me feeling like I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss your eyes. I wanna drink that smile. I wanna feel like my soul's on fire. I wanna stay up all day and all night. Yeah, you got me feeling like ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you close up, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, let me bring it right back. And we said ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you close up, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, let me bring it right back. Yeah. Hello everyone, Albert here. Today we have another beautiful song by Ed Sheeran, Shivers. Only 4 chords, so no more talking and let's dive into it.
The original key of the song is B minor, but if we put the capo on the second position, we can play open chords. If you prefer to play in a different height because it suits your vocal range better, you can also put the capo in a different position, or you play without a capo. We now need the following chords: A minor, F, C, G. We need this strumming pattern for the verse.
I took an arrow to the heart. I never kissed a mouth that tastes like yours. Strawberries and something more. Ooh yeah, I want it all. Lipstick on my guitar. Fill up the engine, we can drive real far. Go dancing underneath the stars. Ooh yeah, I want it all. You got me feeling like.
Each part of the song has a slightly different strumming pattern. This makes every part sparkle. With the pre-chorus, you will no longer mute the strumming. This way you build up more volume and tension towards the chorus.
I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss your eyes. I wanna drink that smile. I wanna feel like my soul's on fire. I wanna stay up all day and all night. Yeah, you got me feeling like ooh.
In the chorus, the accents of the strumming are different than in the verse.
I love it when you do it like that. And when you close up, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance. Baby, you burn so hot, you make me shiver with a fire. You got this thing we started, I don't want it to stop. You know you make me shiver. Baby, you burn so hot, you make me shiver with a fire. You got this thing we started, I don't want it to stop. You know you make me shiver. Yeah, you got me singing like, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. When you're closer, it makes me shiver.
Did you like this video and I was able to help you with this? Then give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or suggestions, put it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!